Good morning, students. How are you all, beta? So, before starting today's topic, let's recall the things which we have learned in the last lecture. Okay, in the last lecture, we have learned about subsidiary alliance, and in that, the East India Company they annexed many provinces under their power now, and when they failed with the help of these policies, then they adopted direct military forces, and this also we have learnt in the case of Mysore. Okay, in the last lecture we have discussed about Hyder Ali, we have discussed about Tipu Sultan, and we know very well that Hyder Ali, firstly Hyder Ali was the ruler of Mysore, and then when he died in 1782 with the due to cancer, then after his death, the Tipu Sultan, the son of Hyder Ali, he became the ruler of Mysore. Now, if we talk about East India Company and Mysore rulers, then there were four war fought between them na, means four Anglo-Mysore war. So first two wars who helped Mysore? France na, and in third means in first two wars the Britishers they didn't get any success, but in third war they won the battle, means East India Company, and after that battle means in 1792 one treaty was signed, means East India Company forced to Tipu Sultan that sign on that treaty, and due to that treaty the Tipu Sultan had to pay a huge amount to the East India Company, but he failed, means Tipu Sultan failed to pay that amount. Then they took his two sons as a hostage. So we learned about this story, and if we talk about last war that is fought in 1799, and in that war Tipu Sultan died for defending his capital Srirangpatnam. Okay, so now let's start our today's topic, that up to here means up to the victory of East India Company on Mysore we have learned in the last lecture. Now we will learn that what happened after the battle, this means after the victory of this Mysore. Okay, so see beta, events after the battle of Srirangpatnam battle, we can say that last battle that fought in 1799, and in that Tipu Sultan died for defending his capital. Okay, so if we talk about after that what happened, means in Mysore who ruled. Okay, so beta, first Tipu Sultan died defending his capital Srirangpatnam. We know very well that Tipu Sultan died in this battle in 1799. Now what happened after this? Mysore was placed under the former ruling dynasty of the Wadiyar. This Wadiyar dynasty, in the last lecture also I told you that before Hyder Ali in Mysore there were the power of this Wadiyar dynasty, means they were the rulers in the Mysore, but Hyder Ali defeated them and he established his power in Mysore. So again after this battle of Srirangpatnam, the East India Company they established this Wadiyar dynasty, means Wadiyar rulers on मैसूर एंड सब्सिडरी अलाइंस वॉज इम्पोज ऑन दी स्टेट, और मैसूर की जो स्टेट है उस पर सब्सिडरी अलाइंस को इम्पोज कर देते हैं, मीन्स बिकॉज दे वांटेड पपेट नवाब, मीन्स उन्होंने वोडियार को वहाँ का रूलर्स तो बना दिया, बट सब्सिडरी अलाइंस पर भी उन्होंने साइन करा लिए बिकॉज वो अपनी मर्जी चाहते थे ना. अब नाउ सी इन दिस वॉर वी नो वेरी वेल दैट निज़ाम ऑफ हैदराबाद, ओके, उन्होंने भी उसका साथ दिया था ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का अगेंस्ट टीपू सुल्तान. सो कुछ पार्ट वो मैसूर का किसको दे देते हैं, उनको भी दे देते हैं, अवध नवाब को भी देते हैं और निज़ाम और ऑफ हैदराबाद को भी देते हैं. नाउ सी बेटा, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट टीपू सुल्तान, दैट वाई ही इज़ नोन एज द नेम ऑफ द टाइगर ऑफ मैसूर. Okay, so behind this one story was there, and that is given in your book, that what happened one time. It is said that once he went in the forest and he faced a tiger. Then जो उसकी गन होती है वो काम करना बंद कर जाती है, और जो उसके पास डेगर होता है, डेगर मीन्स क्या होता है, जो नाइफ के फॉर्म में होता है, जिसके जो आगे से जो पॉइंट होता है वो बहुत शार्प होता है, ठीक है, वो डेगर भी उसका नीचे गिर जाता है. अब क्या होता है कि जो टाइगर से वो बिना आर्म्ड के, मीन्स विदाउट आर्म्ड, ही फाइट विद द टाइगर, एंड इन द लास्ट what happened, he took out his dagger and he killed that tiger. means in this battle means his battle with tiger na, he won the battle. So after this war means after this battle, after this fight with tiger, he was famous with this, the tiger of Mysore. Okay, now see beta, in your book on page number 17, from trade to territory, one figure was there, and that is mechanical toy. Okay, so if we talk about that figure, so firstly we have to know about Tipu Sultan. So Tipu Sultan has a scientific temper means उनमें साइंटिफिक वो जो हम बोलते हैं फीचर्स थे. लाइक इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट रॉकेट, तो फर्स्ट रॉकेट हु मेड द फर्स्ट रॉकेट, टीपू सुल्तान, एंड हिज फोटो वॉज देयर इन द नासा ऑल्सो बिकॉज due to this scientific feeling, because he spotted the science. Okay, so now if we talk about that mechanical toy in that figure, see beta, this is the picture of a big mechanical toy that Tipu possessed. means उसमें जो big mechanical जो toy है वो किसको possess करता है, टीपू सुल्तान को. Okay, you can see a tiger mauling a European soldier. इसमें क्या है, नीचे एक soldier दिया हुआ ब्रिटिशर्स, you can see in your book also, और ऊपर क्या है, वो mechanical toy है. Sorry, so in this figure, this mechanical toy, it is the, you can say, it is possessed Tipu Sultan and that soldiers, it is East India Company. So when its handle was turned, the toy tiger roared and the soldiers shrinked. means जब इसको ऑन किया जाता है, उसके हैंडल को ऑन किया जाता है, तो क्या होता है कि जो मैकेनिकल टॉय है वो दहाड़ता है एक तरह से, बिकॉज इट इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ टाइगर ना. और जो नीचे जो सोल्जर है, मीन जो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को सिंबलाइज्ड करता है, वो कांप उठता है, हिलने लग जाता है. एंड नाउ दिस टॉय टाइगर इज नाउ केप्ट इन द विक्टोरिया एंड अल्बर्ट म्यूजियम इन द लंडन. नाउ एट प्रेजेंट वेयर इज दिस टॉय? इन विक्टोरिया इन अल्बर्ट म्यूजियम इन लंडन, because when Tipu Sultan died in 1799, then Britishers took it away. Okay, and they kept that in London Museum. So understood better? So up to here what is clear, that if we talk about Mysore, then the firstly Hyder Ali was the ruler, then Tipu Sultan, then there were 4 war fought between Mysore and East India Company, and in the last war, means in 1799, the Tipu Sultan was died, and we know about this mechanical toy also, we know about that story also. So beta, you will read this topic from your book also. So in next video we will discuss the next topic, and that is about Marathas also. See, इन दिस मैसूर मराठास जो थे और निज़ाम ऑफ हैदराबाद थे, वो किसके साथ थे? ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के साथ ना. मराठास ने ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का साथ दिया, निज़ाम ऑफ हैदराबाद ने ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का साथ दिया. इसलिए तो जो टीपू सुल्तान उनकी डिफीट हुई थी, क्योंकि जो उसके अपने थे, जो अपनी उसकी कंट्री के थे, उन्होंने उसका साथ नहीं दिया. अब मराठास क्या सोचते थे कि भाई ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी हमारी फेथफुल रहेगी, मीन्स हमारा साथ देगी, बट ऐसा नहीं था. ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को क्या करनी थी, अपनी पावर इंक्रीज करनी थी. अब वो किसी के सगे नहीं थे, तो नेक्स्ट में क्या करते हैं, वो नेक्स्ट में स्लोली दे स्टार्टेड अटैक्ड ऑन मराठास ऑल्सो. सो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दी मराठास. ओके बेटा.